Welcome back viewers. We are again to present here operator precedent in C. Operator precedence determines the grouping of terms in an expression, decides how an expression is evaluated or calculated. Certain operators have higher precedence than others. For example, the multiplication operator has the highest precedence than the additional operator. For example, we have write here an expression x equal to 8 plus 3 into 5. This is the expression. Here x is assigned a value 23, not 55, because operator multiplication has a higher precedence than plus. So first it get multiplied with 5 and 3, and then it adds with 8. Here operator will with the highest precedence appear at the top of the table. The table is here. Those with the lowest appear at the bottom. Within an expression, higher precedence operator will be evaluated first. In the first category, postfix, small brackets, big bracket, pointer member access operator, dot operator, increment operator, decrement operator. These are all the operators have the precedence associativity left to right. Unary operator just like as plus, minus, not, negation, increment, minus minus, type, क्या लाई हो धो लिया. The precedence table here listed in an upper category, these operands or operators have precedence from left to right. In a down category, unary operators such as plus, minus, not, negation, increment, decrement, type, pointer, address, and size of, all are have precedence from right to left. In a multiplicable, pointer, division, modulus, these are the operators have precedence from left to right. Additive, in binary operators, plus and minus have the precedence from left to right. In shift operations, left shift and right shift both have the precedence from left to right. Relational operators from less than, equal to, greater than, and greater than equal to have the same precedence from left to right. In equality, equal to and not equal to have same precedence from left to right. In bitwise AND, the precedence of bitwise AND is left to right. In bitwise OR, precedence of bitwise XOR is left to right, or bitwise OR from precedence is bitwise OR is left to right. Precedence of logical AND is left to right. Precedence of logical OR is left to right. In precedence of conditional operator from right to left. In assignment operator, assignment, increment and assignment, decrement and assignment, multiplication and assignment, division or assignment, modulus and assignment, right shift and assignment, left shift and assignment, bitwise AND and assignment, XOR and assignment, or logical bitwise OR and assignment, all have same precedence from right to left. And last one is comma operators. Comma operator have precedence from left to right. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.